In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the liquid glass effect here on an iPhone with iOS 26 and future iOS updates. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there isn't necessarily a toggle to just disable it, but there is two quick ways to remove that effect. The first method is just to long press any app or just an empty space on your home screen until this menu does appear. Go ahead and select Edit up in the top left, and what you're going to want to do is actually select Customize. If your background is set to clear, that's what gives that liquid glass effect. As you can see, that's what it looks like right there. Just switch back to default or dark, and it's going to remove that effect completely. From here, tap anywhere to exit out of that. Now, the second method is going to be through your settings. So open that up and scroll down on this page until you see accessibility. Go ahead and open that up and then select default text and size. Here, I recommend playing around with the increased contrast options right here, as well as reduce transparency right above it. Turning these on or off will change how the background looks and can reduce that shiny liquid glass style. So between switching off clear and adjusting those accessibility settings, you can easily turn off that liquid glass effect. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.